I have a long row of walnut trees just over the fence line on my neighbor's lot, but the branches hang over the top of my lot and throw down walnuts and leaves every year. This year I don't have any walnuts, which is a relief. I think they got froze out, but I do have lots of leaves. And what's going to happen today is I'm going to mulch them up with my John Deere L110 tractor. So for now we'll call this good, and the next thing you see will be the John Deere tractor mulching the leaves. That didn't take long to do, and things look pretty good. At least a lot better than they did. I'll do a bit more cleanup work with my push mower here in a minute or two. Thank you.